Nature will not wait for man, and all his growing work must keep nature's time. Getting the job done on time is vital to the farmer, but it's so dependent on the weather. That's why machinery has to be built to be relied on. Ford Series 10 tractors give you a wide horsepower range with low operating costs and performance matched to every farming need. And they get down to work. And work. And work. But let's look at some of the major features of the Ford Series 10 range. The transmission. Ford Synchro Shift. A synchro mesh box providing 8 forward speeds and 4 practical reverse speeds. Ideal for this kind of work. Synchro Shift is ideal on the road too. You can change gear easily and smoothly on the move. The gear ratios in the Synchro Shift transmission give you a wide range of ground speeds. On 4-cylinder models, dual power is an option and is available at the flick of a switch. With dual power, you have 16 forward speeds and 8 reverse. And there's a creep speed gearbox option for the jobs that need it. On models with independent power takeoff, operator-controlled feathering allows smooth power transfer to the implement, reducing snatch and wear. The tough PTO clutch can take it in its stride. Synchro Shift, available across the Ford Series 10 range, adds a new dimension to transport jobs. And in the field, especially for loader work. You can select the ideal matching of forward and reverse speeds. Reverse gear selection is now on the range lever. The reverse speed is nearly 30% faster than the matching forward speed, improving cycle times. All models in the Series 10 range can be supplied with factory-installed 4-wheel drive. You have variable front tread settings, several front and rear tire combinations, good maneuverability, and there's a limited slip differential available. Whatever your tractor requirements, Ford now supply it direct to you, tailored to your individual needs. Ford 4-wheel drive gives you better use of power, therefore using less fuel and reducing operating costs. You have better traction, better weight transfer, better stability, and ample ground clearance. On the 3-cylinder models, you can change into 4-wheel drive on the move simply by pulling a lever. On 4-cylinder models, change into 4-wheel drive at the touch of a switch. The 7610 and the 7710 models have a turbocharged engine which contributes to improved fuel economy. Ford Series 10 tractors have ample power in reserve to give you better takeoff from stop. You have better lugging ability, and you'll need to make fewer gear changes in the field. Ford hydraulic systems are well known for their efficiency, and Series 10 hydraulics carry on that tradition. The position and draft control will give you excellent hydraulic control of all mounted and semi-mounted implements. There's a high-capacity gear-type pump for the 4-cylinder models, delivering up to 35 litres per minute to the hydraulic lift system. Whilst a dual high-capacity pump, also available on the 4110 and 4610, provides an oil flow capacity of 67 litres per minute for remote ram operations. Also on the 4-cylinder models, a fully automatic flow control valve is fitted. Throughout most of the Series 10 range, Ford offer you up to 4 remote valves for external hydraulic services, and each valve control lever is within easy sight and reach. The automatic pickup hitch is combined with the drawbar. All this, together with Load Monitor's unique total sensing capability, make the hydraulic systems on the new Ford Series 10 range hard to match. But what does it take to get a new range like the Series 10 into production? Ford have been designing and making tractors for 65 years. Today, they have millions of pounds worth of computerized equipment to help them build on these years of experience and create new tractors. There are men here building parts you will never use. They are the prototype engineers, carefully hand-building engines and transmissions. All the new features are tested in the prototype shops before being tested in the field. For example, lifting and lowering 1,000 implements, to develop systems like the hydraulic drop restrictor. The next time you have to drive fully loaded up a steep hill, remember, Ford has been up steep hills too. They've tested four-wheel drive under all conditions, because it has to perform on the road as well as in mud. They've tested tractors on fields of concrete and steel, so that they can be relied on when you plough your fields. They've turned on 1 million headlands, so that they can turn on 1 million for you. In fact, Ford Series 10 tractors had ploughed 1 million acres before they were even tested in the field, and had opened 1 million doors. All this to make a tractor that's built to be relied on. Ford have been designing and making tractors for 65 years, and Ford Series 10 tractors have it all. Powerful engines, synchro-shift transmission, four-wheel drive, and a hydraulic system more versatile than ever before. It's not enough to have more experience than any other manufacturer, but it does help. The Ford Series 10 range. Tractors engineered for the land.